We have the space, we have the money. Why aren't we doing it? What if we converted some of our closed down malls into structured housing and stabilization centers? Not just beds, not just shelter. I'm talking full scale support hubs built into spaces that are already just sitting empty. Think about it. They're already built with plumbing, they're already built with HVAC, they're already often even built with cooking centers. Most malls have a food court. Now, yes, this would require substantial work, but think of the job creation possibilities with updating the HVAC, the plumbing, the cooking facilities, all of those things in order to be able to accommodate people who actually live there versus visitors. Local construction jobs, contract work, trade apprenticeships, and long-term operational staff. It's the kind of project that could create hundreds of jobs while also creating stability in our communities. Imagine this: one anchor store converted into permanent supportive housing with on-site case managers. Another turned into transitional housing with job training as a pathway to help residents move back into independent living. 24/7 staffing, clear community guidelines, built-in engagement with services and case management, real structure, real support. Parking lots could be converted into tiny home villages, community gardens, solar installation, even childcare centers. We've already seen hotels converted in this way work in some areas, so this isn't fantasy, it's adaptation. It would require careful planning, but with careful planning, this model could be replicated in malls and other buildings in other communities, creating systemic impact. Housing alone often doesn't solve homelessness, but housing, treatment, structure, and opportunity, those are real solutions. There are already studies that show that permanent supportive housing can reduce emergency services by around 50%, which also translates into significant savings for hospitals, law enforcement, and other public services. So instead of letting these massive buildings decay, what if we reimagine them places of stability and second chances, benefiting residents and the wider community? And before anyone asks, how would we pay for this? The One Big Beautiful Bill allocated roughly $45 billion to build and expand immigration detention centers, and tens of billions more on related enforcement. The resources are there. It's a matter of how we choose to allocate them.